All, welcome back to a new post today, and let's look at the important points for your UPSC preliminary examination of 2025 with regard to July 6th. So for July 6th, these are the most important points that you need to keep track of, and the very first one was there was a city called as Catania in Sicily in Mediterranean Sea. That was the news. Now this was the news because of the Mount Etna, the largest active volcanic mountain in Europe, that erupted, and therefore it disrupted all the flights in this region. So the volcanic ash from Mount Etna, which is the largest active volcano in Europe, erupted and covered Catania in Sicily, that's in Mediterranean Sea. The Mount Etna is the largest active volcano in Europe and erupted and spewed into the sky, disrupting air travel. Italian authorities therefore issued a red alert warning after the volcano north of Sicily, Stromboli, also recently erupted. So these are the two main active volcanoes in the Mediterranean region. Mount Stromboli is known for being one of the most nearly constantly active volcanoes in the world. And if you look at the map about with regard to Mediterranean Sea, it's located in between the Eurasian plate and the African plate, and also you have the Aegean plate and the Anatolian plate adjacent to each other, and the south is the Arabian plate. So it's a very tectonically active region, and many of the active volcanoes are found in this region. At number 2 is with regard to micro, small and medium enterprises. Now this was in news because of financial issues erupting in the MSMEs. So the meaning of the micro, small and medium enterprises is given by an act which is called as the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Act, which is given under the which is enforced by the Union Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Now a new criterion and the definition has been used since 2020. So for micro enterprises, investment in the plant and the machinery or equipment of not more than 1 crore and an annual turnover of not more than 5 crore rupees. If it's a small enterprise, investment in the plant and the machinery or equipment of not more than 10 crores and annual turnover of not more than 50 crores. And if it is a medium enterprise, investment in the plant and the machinery or equipment not more than 50 crores and the annual turnover of not more than 250 crores. So the basic criterion is two, that is the investment and the annual turnover that is taken into consideration. And the next most important issue is with regard to diamonds. Now India is the world's largest center for cutting and polishing of diamonds. However, the home production of the diamonds is very less. So a number of diamond occurrences have been located in Anantapur, Kurnool, Krishna, Mehboob and Guntur districts of Andhra Pradesh, Panna and Chhatarpur district of Madhya Pradesh, Raipur district of Chhattisgarh, Chittorgarh, Jalawar, Kota districts of Rajasthan, Mirzapur district of Uttar Pradesh. Potential occurrences have been explored in the basin of Mahanadi in the Sambalpur district of Odisha. Diamonds are precious stones, are mostly used for ornamental purpose, but they're also used in industrial cutting as well. Industrial diamonds are used for drilling bits, and India once was the single largest exporter of cut and polished diamonds in the world, though its domestic production of raw material is very insignificant. Now the basic grade for classification of the diamonds as of 2025 is gem, industrial and unclassified. The next most important issue is with regard to the National Company Law Tribunal. Now it is an adjudicating authority for insolvency resolution process of the companies and limited liability partnerships, and also under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code of 2016. Now all the proceedings it was established under the Companies Act of 2013, and all the proceedings under the Companies Act, including the proceedings related to arbitration, compromise, arrangement, reconstruction and winding up of companies, shall be disposed of by the National Company Law Tribunal. The NCLT bench is chaired by a judicial member who is supposed to be a retired or a serving High Court judge, and a technical member who must be from the Indian Corporate Law Service or the ICLS cadre. And this is all which I thought was really important from the July 6 point of view. And his visit to Moscow, Prime Minister Narendra Modi now has been presented the highest civilian order of Moscow, that's the Order of St. Andrew the Apostle. He has got many other honors as well from various countries. From Greece, it is the Grand Cross of Order of Honor. France, Grand Cross of the Legion. From Egypt, it is the Order of the Nile. From Republic of Palau, it is the Ibaki Order award from Papua New Guinea, it is the Order of Logolo, and from the Fiji, it is Order of Fiji. From Bhutan, it is the Order of Druk Jampo, and in US, it is the Legion of Merit. In Bahrain, King Hamad Order of Renaissance, and Maldives Order of Nishan Izzuddin, and UAE's Order of Zayed Award, Afghanistan State Order of Ghazi Amir Amanullah Khan, and Saudi Arabia's Order of King Abdul Aziz, and the last one is Palestinians Grand Collar of the State of Palestine. So see, these are some of the civilian orders and highest of orders of the countries which Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been bestowed on. So these are the 15 highest civilian orders bestowed on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And these were the most important points for your July 6th with regard to prelims for the upcoming 2025 examination. If you did feel this was helpful to you all, please do like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to comment at the end of the video. And tomorrow I shall see you with the most important points for July 7th. Until then, it's very happy learning.